Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Mario and Friends watching the Little Einsteins. Last time we were watching Any Solo Mission and the Incredible Shrinking Adventure. Hold on, I need to put the volume down. That's much better. Ethan, guys, we're gonna bring in a special guest coming up, a big Koopa monster. Meet to watching the Little Einsteins, Bowser.
Hey everyone! I'm here watching the Little Einsteins. I miss the Little Einsteins so much. Right now, I'm gonna take a seat.
Yes, guys, Bowser's watching with us now. And today's episode, we're gonna watch another. This is the third episode from the Little Einsteins. This episode is gonna be Hungarian Hiccups. Hungarian Hiccups is the third episode from the Little Einsteins. Let's see the music. That's another new one. Yeah. Yeah, we never hear this one in 2022. Yeah. You said it. All right, here we go. Whoa.
Oh wow!
Wow. Hello, guys.
I'm Leah, and this is our best friend, Rocket.
You guys have a best friend rocket ship. Well, oh, the Great Sky Race? Well, we know that one. Back in 2023, we watched the Great Sky Race rematch. Oh, wow!
Wow! Hey,
Where's me?
wow!
Ah, there I am. Oh, wow! Look at this, guys.
Really, really fast. Are you fast?
Yes, but better fast than Sonic
Wow.
and Team Misumi. Yeah. Oh, wow! Look at Rocket. Yeah, but you're a player.
Special racer.
Oh yeah!
Hooray,
Wow, Shy Guy, look at this.
Yeah, you're sure of that?
Wow, look at this, guys. Yeah, Millie, he's singing. Bowser, I got a surprise for you.
What is it?
Look who's coming.
Huh? It's Big Jet! My best friend! My best enemy ever! I miss Big Jet. He is my best friend. Wee!
Oh my God, Luigi, do you see that? Yeah, you said it.
Don't be nervous, Rocket.
Yeah, don't be nervous.
I know it.
Don't be nervous, Rocket. Let's keep going. Yes? What? Wait a second. What is Rocket doing? Huh?
Rocket, what are you doing?
What is Rocket doing, Toad? I don't know.
You've got to get ready for the Great Sky Race.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Rocket has the hiccups.
He has the hiccups?
No. Have you ever had the hiccups?
Yes, a ton of times. Bowser, why do you do that? What happened to you? What happened to my rocket ship?
What do I do?
You made Rocket a hiccups. This is all your fault, Bowser. You made Rocket a hiccups.
Oh, sorry. I never do this again for your rocket ship.
Every time Rocket hiccups,
He was going backwards. Oh my.
start soon.
Yeah.
Be in the Great Sky Race.
Oh dear, poor Rocket.
He has the hiccups. No. Oh, Peach, look at that. Rocket has the hiccups for him.
Like stopping.
But I know exactly. The big jet from Russia make him spin. Oh yeah, he came all the way from Russia. All right,
Annie?
this is our new mission. We're going to surprise the hiccups right off the rocket to win the Great Sky Race. We know that. Rocket, can you please come back to us?
Surprise Rocket.
Yeah.
I've got an idea.
Oh, I got an idea.
Behind Rocket and crash cymbals. That's
Symbols! Okay!
Quincy.
That's a good idea!
Symbols.
Yeah!
Now, let's go to Orchestra Ocean.
The Orchestra Ocean.
Orchestra.
Oh, guys, we're doing a pattern challenge. Me first. Alright. Alright. Oh! Oh, boy! Here we go. Oh. Come on in, guys. Welcome aboard, guys. So this is what you're gonna do. Luigi, Toad, Yoshi, you're gonna be going on. I'm going to watch you guys. Okay?
We're going to need a lot of power.
Alright. Wait, Luigi. Yes? Now! June is panning! Grant is panning! Anne is panning! But we need more power! Put your hands on your lap and pat with me! Pat, 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 pat. Faster! Pat, 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 pat. Alright?
Now raise your arms as high as you
Come on, my Leo, my best friend. Blast off! Back to our spot, my friends. Okay. Whee! Where are we going? Uh-oh. There it is, the Orchestra Ocean. Wow!
adore Orchestra.
I love Orchestra Ocean. My favorite.
Whoops. We really need to do something about these hiccups.
Yeah.
Come on. Let's find
Okay, let's go find the symbols.
Lower your look and listen scope.
You said it, my best friends. Okay, let's see where they are. Look at that. I see violins and drums and cellos. Awesome.
See any symbols.
Yeah, where are they? Wait.
I can hear the symbols. Do you see the symbols?
Over there. Wow.
Yeah, there they are.
Okay.
Symbols are loud.
Yeah.
They're sure to surprise Rocket.
Okay. So you guys got...
We have
Whoa. Almost were bouncing away.
the clever catcher.
Yeah. Oh, you guys are almost bouncing away. Oh, I'm gonna grab the clapper catcher. That's my favorite part. Look. Okay. Wow. They're beautiful. Wow. Now the symbols are for me now. Are for me.
Now we can surprise Rocket's hiccups away.
Mm-hmm. Hey, Rocket. Let's head for the land. You ready, guys? I'm ready. Me too. Me three.
We're here, Rocket.
It's actually me first. Look.
Will you help us surprise Rocket?
Yep, I got the symbols ready.
Your hands are symbols.
Okay, you got this.
Clap.
Man,
That was nice loud clapping.
thank you. Okay.
Hands ready and be very, very quiet. And when we clap our cymbals, clap your cymbals with us. Ready? Let's practice.
Now.
Good going. Now let's surprise Rocket.
You ready?
We have to sneak up on him.
Yep. Get ready, guys.
Ready?
Yep. Alright, here we go. Wait. No! That was fun. Good going, Toad.
Rocket loved that surprise.
Yeah, I know. I love this one.
Hiccups. Let's
Alright, let's listen, guys. Huh?
Does he still have the hiccups?
Yes.
You're right. Your hiccups are still there.
Oh no. Poor Rocket.
Don't worry about
Oh man! Dang it! The cymbals can't stop!
But I was using this one.
it. We need to find an even bigger surprise.
Yeah.
Yeah, a bigger surprise.
I'll put the symbols in my back.
I have an
What's the idea?
idea. Like a tiger.
A tiger?
Rocket,
What about Tigger?
I like the sound of that!
we have got to
That was actually... Alright, we're gonna find Tigger. Our friend from Winnie the Pooh. Alright, let's go.
Oh man, I'm so ready for this one! Huh?
restarting line.
Look, Bowser.
Almost time for the race.
Oh, it's the race!
What?
Guys,
Oh, that's Big Jet. He's spinning again.
I'm not doing this for you guys!
Thanks, Bowser. Oh man, you guys going to the jungle? I saw the hiccups. You said it, Geo. Yeah, me too. Alright, here we are. Where is Tigger? Our friend.
this jungle is huge.
Uh.
How are we going to
Hmm.
find a tiger? Do you see a tiger?
Over there! There's my friend Tigger!
Yeah, there it is.
Why, hello there!
Tiger.
Look at...
Look at Tiger.
Tiger. But I'll bet he has a nice
Yeah.
roar.
Oh! Wow!
Surprise our friend Rocket.
Can you please surprise Rocket?
I like the sound of that!
Tiger, surprise Rocket. Shh. We have to creep up behind Rocket so we can roar and surprise the hiccups away. Let's creep like
I think it's me next. It's my turn now.
creep with us.
Here comes Tigger.
We have to move slower and slower. Retardando, like the music. Creep,
Creep.
creep, retardando, creep.
You guys have now the tiger?
Retardando.
Yup.
Slower, slower. Retardando. Creep, creep.
There's Tigger.
Retardando.
You guys have a good tiger.
Yes, he loved the surprise. Yeah, he loved the surprise for good old Tigger. Thanks.
That was fun. It must have stopped Rocket.
Let's listen to Rocket. Alright. Uh-oh.
Does Rocket still have the hiccups?
Yes!
You're right. He still has the hiccups.
Oh, bother!
Well, the symbols didn't stop the
Yeah.
hiccups. And the tiger's roar didn't stop the
Well,
hiccups.
the cymbals and tiger didn't work!
Yeah, it didn't work. Oh!
I've got it.
Wait!
A geyser. A geyser?
I used a geyser! From Iceland!
It's a hole in the earth that shoots out water high into the sky.
Oh, yeah.
It will be the biggest surprise ever.
That sounds a great idea. Well, Tigger, good luck.
Goodbye!
Look at this!
Oh my god, you guys going to Iceland?
Yeah, we're going to Iceland. Uh-oh. Well, wait a second. Uh-oh.
Oh no! Big Chest is on the front!
The race is going to
Man, I'm so scared for this rocket ship.
Me too! But listen! The hiccups!
Here we are in Iceland. Alright, Luigi, you using the...
I see the geyser holes.
Can I use...
Where's all the
Can I use the geyser Luigi? Of course! Whoa!
It'll be great. Come on, let's hope the Geyser surprise rocket. When the music stops, say splash. Let's practice. Ready? Listen to the music.
Okay. Splash! Whoa! Oh wow, Dad! That's amazing!
Now, let's surprise
Thanks,
Rocket.
thanks, baby Mario. Okay. He's doing another hiccups.
Rocket. Come sit over here.
Yeah, you said it, Dad. Thank you, baby Luigi. Thanks, baby Luigi.
That's good.
Yes.
Okay, get ready to splash. When the music stops, say splash.
Right. 1, 2, 3. Splash! Whoa! Look at Rocket! Wow! Oh man! Rocket loved the surprise!
Riding on the water.
Yes. Wow!
But does he still have the hiccups?
Maybe.
Listen.
Oh no!
Does he still have the hiccups?
Oh yeah.
Yes, they're still there.
Oh man.
Mario, it looks like nothing
Yeah.
has those hiccups.
The cymbals didn't work. The Tigger's rock didn't work. And the Geyser didn't work.
Oh, I think I got an idea. Look at this. I'm gonna bring my pet mouse.
Think of something.
Right there. Right there, guys. Where's my mouse? There he is. I used the mouse.
Here, little mouse.
Here. Here you go, Rocket. Oh! Rocket! Are you... Mario! What did you use? I used my pet mouse.
Just a mouse.
You what? A mouse? Yes. My pet mouse is working. Let's see. Oh.
Rocket sounds different. Let's listen.
Mario! He has no hiccups! Yeah! Oh wow! You did it, Mario!
Does Rocket still have the hiccups?
No!
No.
I used the pet mouse to scare Rocket's hiccups away!
Come on, we've got
No, it's not for Mario Kart!
Thank you.
That's right, it's Mario Kart's world. Let's go! Let's go! Okie dokie! Here we go! Yeah! We're get ready! Oh boy, we're going to the race! Yeah! Here we go! Yeah! 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go! Whee! Let's go! Let's go! Umi Sumi!
Whoa, look at them go! Mario! Why does Rocket have no hiccups?
I was using a pet mouse. My pet mouse is so liking. Wee! Look at us go! Look at them go! They're getting up fast. Yes.
Rocket has to go
Now we're on
to
to.
the Tower in Paris.
We're going to Paris.
Eiffel Tower.
I see Paris and France and France. Cool! I love the Eiffel Tower. Yo,
Now we're heading for the pyramids in Egypt.
Egypt! Oh, we're going to Egypt! And here we are, past the Egypt in the pyramids. Wow!
Whoa, Rocket is passing airways.
Whoa! Go, guys, go! There's Colosseum in Rome. That's where Chef Pee-Pee lives. Oh no! No! That's alright, Rosalina. We're catching up. Now what? Wow, look at the Grand Canyon. I see the cyan plane. Go! Alright, we're going! Yeah! You said it, Nadia! Whee! We're passing everyone! But except for the big Russian jet. Big jet. There he is.
Rocket, you can pass him.
Come on! Go, Rocket, go!
Rocket is
Yes, we're in first place!
big jet.
Now it's Big Jet in first place. No, wait! Rocket's in the lead!
Finish line is
Oh!
We have to pass faster.
Come on, come on, come on!
Put your hands on your lap. Pat.
There's the finish! Go, 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 go! Yes! Yes, Mario, we won! Yes! Yes!
Congratulations, Team Mario! You did it!
You! Well done. Well, see you later, bad boy. That was fun. Yeah, you said it.
Let's
Ye-
sing Rocket.
Wow. You did it, guys. Thanks, Wario. Yeah. That was an amazing flying race, Mario. That's right. Yeah. You said about that, Timu Misumi. Mission completion! Oh! We did it, Mario! Yeah! Woo! Yes! Yippee! That was so much fun, guys. Yeah! You said it. Yeah! That's right! Give it a big hand for Bowser!
Thank you, everyone! Thank you!
Well, everyone, this is actually the end for this episode. This is the end watching to the greatest episode. The third episode is complete. We finished Annie, Solo Mission, The Incredible Shrinking Adventure, and Hungarian Hiccups. Well, everyone, this is the end watching Mario and Friends watching the Little Einsteins Hungarian Hiccups. You guys can subscribe, and we hit 181 subscribers. And we're going to celebrate everything. And next week we're going to celebrate the spring break. See you later, guys.
On the next mission. Cool. Wait, see